Slim. Hey, Slim. It make me giggle in my stomach. Every time I look over there and I be like, hey, Slim. Giggle. Right in the pit of my stomach, girl. In the pit. Oh, no, that's gas, girl. My bad, that wasn't you, girl. That was gas. Oh, girl, is we cooking that? What? I just said my stomach is hurting and I hear the perfect opportunity for some chicken. It was a rooster. When we call cooking, do we still call it chicken or we call it rooster? Or do we call it by his name? What do we do? We say, here, his boiled wing, but it's fried. What? They're gonna be like, you're confusing the shit out of me, bitch. What is that? What is that? Who eating it? What you mean it's boiled fried chicken, girl? Get it together. Get it together. Why you boil it, girl? Why? Explain this to me. I said, now wait. Now I want to know why you needed to boil the fried chicken. And I want to know why you thought that I was going to taste it. I'm not no guinea pig for no boiled fried chicken, girl. No. So,